Hey everyone, I'm Shannon Terrell, Senior Writer for Finder's Investing channel. And today I'll be doing a side-by-side comparison of SoFi Invest and Robinhood. Let's dive in. At first glance, both SoFi Invest and Robinhood look incredibly similar. They both have no minimum requirements to open an account. You can buy stocks and exchange traded funds on either platform without having to worry about commissions. You can buy fractions of shares if you can't afford a full share, or if you don't want to buy a full share. You can invest in cryptocurrencies, and they both have beginner-friendly mobile apps. Now, all that said, there are some pretty big differences that separate these platforms, and these differences may make one platform a perfect choice for one investor and a less than perfect choice for another. To help you decide which is the right platform for you, let's look at the details. Trading stocks and ETFs with both SoFi and Robinhood come commission-free. If that's what's most important to you, you could easily pick either of these two platforms. This is where Robinhood beats SoFi. With Robinhood, you don't pay any fees for crypto trading. SoFi, on the other hand, charges 1.25% of the transaction. Now, whether or not SoFi's 1.25% fee sways your decision, it really depends on how you invest. If you frequently trade cryptocurrencies and in high quantities, Robinhood is the cheaper choice because SoFi's 1.25% on, say, a $30,000 crypto trade would be $375 in fees. But if you only trade crypto a few times a year and in small quantities, the difference may be negligible. For example, SoFi's fee on a $1,000 trade would be $12.50. Now, let's take a look at your main trading tool, the actual trading platform. Both SoFi and Robinhood have user-friendly mobile apps where you can invest, trade, research, or simply monitor your investments from the palm of your hand. And all things considered, both SoFi and Robinhood are fairly well matched in this category, but there are a few key differences that may be able to help you decide. For example, SoFi's platform doesn't offer advanced price charts. All you have access to is a single line chart, which makes it pretty much impossible to do technical analysis. For beginners, this probably isn't a big deal, but in time, as you grow and learn, you'll likely need a decent price chart in order to make predictions. Robinhood, on the other hand, offers the widely used candlestick charts. It also offers a few indicators, like moving averages, volume, and RSI. What's more, you get to choose advanced order types, like limit orders or stop loss orders, which can execute your trade at an exact price. This makes Robinhood a slightly better option because of its order execution control and its charting features. But if you don't really care about charts and you typically just buy stocks at market price, either of these platforms should be able to do the job. Who the heck needs a retirement account in their 20s when you can buy a stock, watch it go to the moon, and enjoy your tendies now? I kid. But seriously, if you're thinking long term, SoFi is the way to go. Because between these two platforms, SoFi is the only one that offers individual retirement accounts. And that's a big deal for long-term investors. So far, both of these platforms are pretty much on par, but SoFi has a lineup of additional tools and services that basically blow Robinhood out of the water. And that's because outside of its trading platform, Robinhood doesn't have a whole lot going on. SoFi, on the other hand, has a number of additional financial services to offer, including automated investing. This robo-advisor helps you set your risk preferences and create your asset allocation strategy. Then, SoFi will automatically allocate your funds into stocks or ETFs that meet your criteria. You don't actually have to do anything besides fund your account. SoFi does all of the heavy lifting for you. What's more, this feature typically comes with an industry standard 0.5% management fee, but SoFi doesn't charge for this service. It's free. It also offers access to financial planners. You can speak with SoFi's financial planners to help you understand your current financial situation and build an investment strategy, again, at no additional cost. It also has a full range of financial services, and that's because SoFi isn't just an investment platform. You can get personal loans, student loans, mortgages. There's even a credit card that rewards your every purchase and doubles your rewards if you redeem points into your SoFi Invest account. And what's cool about all these features is that you can access them all from a single mobile app. It's basically a one-stop shop. To wrap up, both SoFi Invest and Robinhood are excellent options for beginners and for some advanced investors too. You can buy stocks and ETFs, you can purchase cryptocurrencies, and there are virtually no fees. Robinhood's charting tools are superior, but it lacks access to retirement accounts. Plus, SoFi offers a full range of financial products and services beyond its trading platform. Robinhood does not. If you're still torn on which platform is right for you, check out our full review of each, linked in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when new Finder videos drop. Thanks for watching.